If you are dealing with constipation, you may have considered using Dulcoflex, a common over-the-counter laxative. Dulcoflex Tablet contains Bisacodyl, a stimulant that encourages bowel movements. But before you use it, it is most important to understand how it works and its potential side effects. Use. Dulcoflex is used to treat constipation by stimulating the muscles in your intestine, helping move stool through your bowels. The tablets usually take 6 to 12 hours to work, making them a good option for overnight relief. It's typically taken before bed so you can accept a bowel movement by morning. Side effects. Like any medication, Dulcoflex comes with potential side effects. The most common include abdominal cramps, diarrhea, and nausea. These symptoms occur because the medication stimulates the intestines quite actively. Risks. While effective, Dulcoflex should be overused. Regular use can lead to dependence, meaning your body may struggle to have a bowel movement without it. Overuse can also lead to dehydration or imbalance of essential electrolytes. Final advice: always follow the recommended doses and consult a doctor if constipations persist for more than a week. If you experience severe side effects such as persistent cramps or blood in the stool, stop using the medications and seek medical help. Thank you.